5 a.m.
Pierre, what exactly are we doing at 5 a.m. on a Sunday? A Sunday. Why are we up at 5 a.m. on a Sunday?
We were both free, so we're going to go and build a Malm in Piccadilly Circus. Here we go.
So how long is it going to take?
We'll be here 20 minutes tops. 40 minutes. 20 minutes. You ready?
Why do we not have a hammer today?
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, look at that. It's gone in a little bit.
According to local law, you can carry a hammer in your bag if it's for the purpose of going to work and using it there, but you cannot get a hammer out in public.
Right. You hold the nail. It ain't never gonna go in if you hammer in it like that. Move yourself.
So that's pretty much it.
So you can't have a hammer unless you're going to work with it.
Yeah. We were concerned. I was concerned. We were concerned that if we were stopped, because let's be honest, what we're doing here is a little abstract.
Scott was worried about a stop and search at 5 a.m. on a Sunday.
There was a possibility.
As you're carrying a Malm.
Someone within their right would say, "What are you doing?" Also, what's in your bag? And
Yeah,
there'd be a hammer.
But you've also got a drill, a screwdriver, and a set of screw tips.
Okay.
Didn't think this one through, did you, lads?
We need a brick.
Oh, so we can't carry a hammer, we could just bring a brick.
No, we wouldn't bring a brick. I don't own a brick.
Give me that. So
Maybe some shots over there, shall we?
is solid work.
Okay, we thought we'd get a little bit of community engagement going right now. So if you want to put something in the comments where you'd like to see us build next. I think we've already peaked, to be honest. Are we going to be able to beat this? Maybe. Let us know where you would like us to build next. Maybe on a boat, maybe on a tube, the Circle Line. Buckingham Palace, we've emailed Queen. She's not got back to us. She got back to you yet?
No,
No.
I'm on Do Not Disturb though.
Do not just. Okay, so she might have.
But as long as it's feasible, right? So we do need permission in some areas, so just make sure it's feasible if you do recommend something, and we'll do our best to put it into a video. Thanks for watching. That's it.
That's it. Cut.